Scoot over, buddy.
Catch the fish and you don't have it in the water.
There it is. Where is it? Hey, Cassie, where is
Do you still have a fish, Cass?
it? Yeah, he got
Keep going, keep reeling.
Keep on reeling it. Never stop.
Woo!
He's way back there.
Keep reeling.
Reel in. Reel.
Keep going, Cassie. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Reel. I don't know. Come on. I'm going. Where is he? There he is. I need to get on this way.
Keep reeling. No, Koopy, let Bauer grab it.
There he goes.
Oh, he's going one side. One side.
V, just go by the water, sweetheart.
Oh, where'd he go? There he is. Woo! He flipped.
Just reel it in, Cass.
He's so there. You get a wipe? He's right there. He's a small one.
Reel it in, Cass.
Reel it in. He's strong too. He's thick? He's small.
Keep reeling, Cass.
He's right there. Yeah, he's small. Come on. He's small. Can put him in the
Come
belly?
on, good.
Reel, Cass.
Reel, Cass, go.
I can't get it when you're not reeling.
Lift this up.
I got him.
All right.
Guess what? We're gonna let him go. He's too small. Oh, guess what? You wanna let him go? Okay. Hey, good job, Daddy. Now, we want to have somebody else's fishing
Cass, put him
rod.
back in the water.
Kessler, come and put him in the water.
Okay, put your rod down, sweets.
No, lift him up.
Why don't you just put the net in the water? Okay, gently put him in the water. Gently rub his belly in the water. No, put him in the water. Uh-oh. You gotta rub his belly, B.
Grab him.
Rub his belly,
Grab him with
B.
the net. Hurry up.
Grab the net, B. You're gonna grab your shoes all wet.
I'll get it. Great. I got it.
Hurry up. Grab him.
Yeah.
Okay, let Daddy put him in the water.